Crayola Glitter Dots can be found at the Crayola aisle at your local store. Welcome to a Glitter Dot Challenge! I'm your host, Casey, and today we are doing a Halloween edition. It was a dark and stormy night. For this challenge, our teams are going to have to decorate this pumpkin with tropical colors, orange and purple. The winning team will get these Halloween masks that I made with glitter dots from the Tropical Colors collection. All right, let's meet our contestants. On Team Glitter Dot, we have Sandy and Aiden. And representing Team Glitter, JJ and Tyler. During this competition, we're going to be using the Super Pen! 3, 2, 1, go! Looks like Team Glitter has a strategy. They're going to use glue and put on glitter. Yeah, seems legit.
Put more glue on it.
But they are already very messy. Let's check out Team Glitter Dots.
This is so satisfying to squish.
Sandy has the orange, Aiden has the purple. They must really want to win this one. Oh, it looks like a storm's a-brewing. I think it's time to pumpkin spice up this competition. Oh, the wind is creating havoc on the glitter. They seem completely unfazed and unflustered. Wow, this is definitely a setback. Team Glitter Dot is making some great progress. That was a glitter-tastrophe. It looks like they're almost as glittery as the pumpkin itself. I don't know if they're ever going to be able to clean up this mess. 5 seconds left.
Oh no! Oh no!
Five,
Start putting it on! Start putting it on!
3,
Oh no! Oh no!
2,
No, 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 no.
1. Hands up! It looks like Team Glitter's pumpkin is pretty messy. How did it feel playing with the glitter?
It was all stuck to our hands.
Wow, that looks amazing. How do you feel about it?
Amazing.
That's what I said. And there's no mess on the table. That's great. And the winner is Team Glitter Dot!
Yeah!
And that means you get a Glitter Dot celebration!
Yeah!
Well, Team Glitter, you know what that means. You're gonna get glitter drops! Thanks for watching another Glitter Dot Challenge!
Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell at the top so you can see every video we post.